This is an isolation shield that can be used for, say, voice recording or vocals when you're in an environment where you don't have a studio or, say, a vocal booth. So it is an isolation shield made out of a solid foam, and it also comes with its very own pop filter. And inside is the cavity where the microphone will go, and also a sleeve here that can be used for different types of microphones. I'm just going to place my USB microphone that you see inside this, and we'll have a look to see how it goes. You do have to firm out the sleeve so that it's a snug fit, but basically that's the microphone, what it looks like inside the isolation shield. And then you can place your pop filter or pop blocker on the shield itself. So relatively lightweight design, and it has this hexagonal design as well that's going to help absorb and reflect sounds away from the back of the microphone. I'll give you an example of what it sounds like with this on and also with it off, and hopefully that'll help you make a decision as to whether this product is for you, and I'll catch you in a future video. This is a test of the microphone without the isolation shield. And this is a test of the microphone with the isolation shield.